So as you've probably seen, today has been a very administrative day where I've cleaned the whole place. I'm getting ready for Christmas. I really want to get everything done as soon as possible so that I have more days to just relax and not do anything. I'm excited to have a full week of break without work, without uni, without even Vlogmas. Although I love it, it's just something to take into consideration every time I'm planning my time. And I really want to have a week where I don't have to do anything. But so far I've done the whole flat. It's sparkling. Now I have a celebratory gin with some frozen forest fruits, and we are celebrating the Tier 3. I mean, celebration is not a good thing. We are not celebrating the fact that there are rising cases in London. Definitely not. I really want this pandemic to be gone and we could get on with our lives, really. But what I'm actually celebrating is the fact that my boyfriend will be put on furlough again, and that means that he will be home for the time being, a lot, and he will have free time in order to work on his project, because he recently started to do video editing as a freelancer, and now he's gonna have more time to put into that. We're gonna have more time to just stay together, and I know I'll still be working, which I'm super glad that I have a job, but I would have loved to just stay home. and we're gonna be together all the time, so this is why we are celebrating. That doesn't mean that we are not taking these things seriously, and the virus is affecting a lot of people, and the fact that we are celebrating is only because we have jobs. And if we wouldn't, I know how hard it is if you don't have a job in lockdown and no one is hiring, because I've been there for the entire period of the first lockdown. I also have a vlog about that. I'll leave it somewhere in here, I think there. And it's hard. So if you're going through that, that's my washing machine. I wanted to be kind with people, and then our washing machine just wanted to interrupt. So I'll give her a few minutes. Actually, I'll be quick before it gets even louder. If you are going through that, if you don't have a job at the moment, it will be fine. Eventually, you will find some. For me, it lasted 6 months, and it was hard. Mentally, it was hard. Financially, I'm not even mentioning it because I was fine. But mentally, it was a struggle. So if you're going through that, trust me, eventually you will find a job. You just have to keep yourself busy, keep strong, stay there, be present mentally, and they will sort out everything. We just need to hang on a bit more in here and adhere to the rules, and it will be back to normal one day. And I think that day is coming closer and closer. So that's it for today's Vlogmas. Now I'm gonna spend the evening working on a project that we have to present on Wednesday, but the deadline is tomorrow at midnight. So that's what's gonna be for today, and tomorrow is gonna be full on working on this project. It's really exciting, but I'm stressing out a little bit because I'm a freelancer and it's a lot to do still. So I'm gonna get on with that, and I'll see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!